It's also beautiful today on the 19th of July 2023. I don't remember filming this, but I'm sure I'll get it towards here just in case. But probably will be a better video anyway. And this is Tarkk'ampujankatu 2010 here. And all on it, I will see what it has guest for source money and filming capacity is 3 persons of 2 programs. With the gate also. Last in 2003, museum was 624. The was actually turning 20 years old this year in 2023. It turned 95 years old in last year, 2022, and we could take tours here. Probably expected it next year, 2024. Yeah, I'm actually not sure if I filmed this before, so maybe I didn't. But it should have had a Swedish metal plate on it. In Swedish version.
Inspected by Kiva, maintained by Kone.
The elevator was completely unknown.
Yeah. Yeah, but
yes. But all the French should have been also in Swedish, the official language.
yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's